Have you ever felt frustrated that going to school you can't play Red Dead Redemption? Well, now you don't have to be frustrated anymore, because I will show you how to get the power of this PC into my school computer. And you can do too, with just a little bit of your time. To do this, you'll go onto your PC and you check out GeForce Experience, which I hope you have on your PC, because without an NVIDIA graphics card this is impossible. While in GeForce Experience, you go to the settings and then to the shield. And make sure to enable game stream. By pressing the add button, you can add any exe file or shortcut as you want. This will be important for later when you actually get the game stream running. Make sure to check for new drivers while you're in a GeForce Experience, because your computer will always run better with new drivers. So just check for new drivers. Now we go on to our MacBook. On the MacBook you will have to download something called Moonlight. Link in the description. You don't have to download it on the PC, you only have to set this game stream up and then you're done with the PC. When you're on moonlightstream.org, you should scroll all the way down to find the download folders, the download files. And now you click the one you need. Now you just follow the steps, follow the download links. Open the DMG, then drag it to applications. And it's done! Simple as that. Moonlight will now search for PCs on your local network. And your PC should show up here if you have your network configured properly. It is possible that your network is not configured properly and that your computer is not plugged into the router and directly to the wall, which is fine. You can just go to Chrome on your PC and write "what's my IP" and then write this IP into Moonlight. When you have your PC's IP, you will then click the add computer button and write your main PC's IP address. Now when your PC pops up, you might see that it's lock icon and you cannot get into the PC. You fix this by clicking the PC and then Moonlight will give you a code. Then you have to, on the PC, write the code for obvious safety reasons. Now it's unlocked. Game on. Now when it's unlocked, you can play any games on your computer as you wish. The performance is completely internet based. So for example, if you have a high bitrate, you might have to lower the bitrate in Moonlight. Or for example, you might have poor reception and you will just have a laggy gameplay experience, as you can see in this Rocket League footage. And this is actually not true if you use the local network and that you never manually write in your PC's network, because it will be on your local network. The speed of your internet doesn't matter because you're on the local network and it can utilize the full capabilities of the hardware. And if you want to know what bitrate is appropriate for you, just Google internet speed test, take the first best, see what bitrate you have, and then go into Moonlight and then set your settings to the right bitrate. And bear in mind, try to be a little under to compensate for peaks and valleys. The Rocket League gameplay on the MacBook was terrifyingly bad, so I was thinking it might be the MacBook's video encoder being a little mad that we're actually recording at the same time with OBS, but turning off OBS and playing without OBS on didn't seem to fix the issue. This was just poor internet connection, which is a shame. This really shows how unstable this is, because earlier when I played Red Dead Redemption in my bathroom, it ran completely fine and was completely playable with some minor stutters. Remotely, at school, we get the same results. It's laggy at times, but we got really lucky. I ran Red Dead Redemption 2 with a bitrate of 20 and it looked really amazing and it felt really nice with a smooth 60 FPS. I also played Rocket League and GTA 5, but at lower fidelity. It lagged at times, but I would still call it totally playable, because I really enjoyed playing Red Dead Redemption this way, since minor stutters doesn't really matter when you're riding around. If you really want more stable results, you should maybe go 30 FPS, 720p. It will still feel good, I guess. But at that point, what's really the point? Just get a gaming laptop instead of a MacBook. So if you get to choose what school PC you're getting, don't get a MacBook if you really want a game. Thanks for watching this video. If you got any video ideas, please write in the comments down below.